Now, if you too, like us, learn your life lessons from comic books, then you'd know that Spider-Man always says that with great power comes great responsibility. What that means is, if you're going to be riding a motorcycle, you need to be wearing the right kit. We paid a visit to the performance racing store in Mumbai to find out exactly what you're going to need. This is the average superbike. It's got a big engine and goes to infinity and beyond in less than no time. Which means that if you're riding it and not adequately protected and something untoward happens, it's going to take just a few seconds to turn you from biker boy to meat puppet. Which is why here we are at the performance racing store in Mumbai to find out a bit about gear. First up, you need a good lid to protect that squishy stuff between your ears, and if you're riding high speed, you need high quality. Out of the many brands out there, Performance Racing offers 3, beginning with Sparks. These funky looking solid helmets will cost you between 6,000 for a half face and about 8,000 rupees for these master and twin skull designs.
The KBC helmets are Snell and Dot approved. Okay, they're superbly ventilated. I mean, the colors and the designs you get are vast in this.
Higher up the food chain come brands that the champions use, like KBC and Arai. And the cheapest here is 15 grand, moving on up all the way to 33,000 rupees. Moving downward from your helmet, you need a riding jacket. Again, plenty of brands available, but for our weather conditions, you could skip past the leather and go fabric and mesh from the Joe Rocket range.
Which will protect you in case of a crash. I mean, they have shoulder protection, you have your elbow protection, then you also have a back protector, which you can see over here. This is the entire back protector, back and spine protector. Okay, then second is your riding pants, which are also very important. They have a knee protection, they have hip protection, and also the stitching is all Kevlar, which makes it stronger than your normal jeans or whatever trousers you wear.
Weather resistant, lightweight and with space for armor, the range begins at about 10,000 and moves up to 15,000 rupees. So now we've covered jackets and helmets, we're moving on to gloves.
Your gloves are also a very big part of your safety gear because they protect your knuckles. In case of a crash, they also prevent you from getting bad road rash.
One of the most important and at the same time most ignored safety gear for riding are your shoes. City is the absolute leader in making riding boots.
These are your riding boots. Basically, here you see are the toe sliders, which prevent you from damaging your toe. There are heel guards. The heel guards also help in than your ordinary shoes. This is basically overall protection as compared to riding with normal gear like normal shoes.
So if you ever find yourself on the back of a 1000cc plus motorcycle, now you know what else you need besides your killer riding skills.